Hi guys, welcome to my course on 11 paid ads platforms, all campaign creations and features. My name is Tanmoy Kumar Das. Just to give you a background about myself, I am an ex-Google employee with 16 years of experience into paid advertising, and I've been teaching paid advertising for more than 10 years now, and I teach to a lot of young professionals, entrepreneurs and experts who want to get into this field. I wanted to take this opportunity today to let you know what we are going to learn in this course. So, we're going to look at the different types of paid ads platforms available in the market right now. Starting off with the four most prominent ones, which is going to be Google Ads, Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Microsoft Ads. And then we'll get into the other ads platforms as well, which is going to be TikTok ads, X ads, ShareChat, Snapchat, Quora, Reddit, and also we'll see Pinterest ads. By the end of this course, I hope you're able to use these platforms practically for your business and for your clients. In this particular course, we are going to see all these platforms practically, wherein we are going to create all the campaigns, ad groups, ads, creative. So you will get to have a clear understanding of how these platforms really work in a real life scenario. I hope this course really helps you to master paid ads for yourself, and you can use this to grow your business and for your clients. So, thank you once again, guys, for enrolling into this course. And I'm really excited to see you inside the course.